Alright, this is the switch debouncer circuit from Forrest and Mims' book, Electronic Formulas, Symbols, and Circuits. So I have it wired up here. You can see when I press this button, you get a nice clean waveform. You also get kind of a delayed pulse, or like a release time. If you hold down the circuit, it stays on. And you can like really increase this time by like using a bigger capacitor. For example, this 2200 microfarad capacitor instead of this 100 microfarad. Alright, so let's see. Oh, did I do it wrong? It's kind of hard to get this big one in there. There we go. And this is based off of the 2N2222 transistor, basic transistor. I like this circuit because it's really simple. Only like a couple resistors, one capacitor, and one transistor are needed. I wish there was a way, or I knew of a way, to do it so you can't hold down the button. Alright, that's it for now.